What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make over $180 per day with affiliate marketing on Clickbank in 2023. I'm going to show you how to set up this very powerful attraction magnet that you can use to convert free traffic from internet into affiliate commissions and in the end result into money. And using this method, you can see your first result as soon as in the first 24 hours. Now, this is going to be completely zero cost. You don't have to invest a single cent of your own money into this method to work. You don't have to have any skills or any previous experience with affiliate marketing. All you need is just your laptop and an internet connection and a couple of minutes of your time to make sure you're going to actually watch this video from beginning to the end, so you'll know exactly how to set this up and start making some money with it too. But before we get into all of that, I would like to make an announcement. I've got a couple of spots still open in my coaching program where I'm going to teach you the exact same method that I'm still using myself to make around $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without using any of my social media or this YouTube channel, and I'm getting results just like this. You can see in the last month I made almost $6,000, but if I'm going to switch it in the last 30 days, you can see I crossed $7,000 mark already using this method. So if you want to learn this exact same method, just go to the first link in the video description and check out a short introduction video that I have prepared for you, and I hope to see you there. So just make sure to hit the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel, comment down below something for the YouTube algorithm, and now just let's get started. Okay guys, as a first step, what you want to do is go to clickbank.com or to any other affiliate marketplace if you are already experienced with affiliate marketing. But for the complete beginners who are first time seeing that, but for the complete beginners who are watching this video for the very first time or don't have any idea what affiliate marketing is, you want to go to clickbank.com and you want to sign up for your free account. Now, in order to be able to save a couple of minutes of your precious time, you don't want to be clicking this start here button because it's going to put this little annoying survey they put out to new Clickbank appliers. Instead, what you want to do is click on this login button even if you don't have an account yet, because if you're going to check this out, you can see you can create your account by pressing this create an account button here, and that way you're going to skip the survey entirely. So what you want to do is create your Clickbank account and then you want to log right into it. And once you log into your Clickbank account, you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace. This method is not going to be pretty much working with any niche out there. For this, you want to go into self-help section, and what you want to search for is this dating guides right here. Just click on dating guides and you want to filter by gravity high to low. And as you can see right here, at the time of recording this video, the highest converting offer in dating guide section is this Unlock the Scrambler, which has the average commission of $91, which is pretty much like very good money. But at first, what you're going to be making is $66 for each initial sale, but because of the upsells in the funnel, you can make on average $91. But one of the reasons why this offer is so powerful is because it has this recurring rebill of $41, which is going to be paying you money in the future without you having to do any additional work. So what you want to do is pretty much just click on promote, and you want to grab your affiliate link for Unlock the Scrambler, and for that all you need to do is type in your Clickbank nickname, which in my case is this one right here. So I'm just going to type it in and click on create a hop link, just like that. Then I'm just going to click on create a hop link, and my affiliate link is going to get displayed right here. What you want to do once you get your affiliate link, you want to copy it and then just go to Google, and what you want to search for is Bitly. You can use any other link shortener for this, but I highly recommend that you go with Bitly because it's going to be storing your affiliate links, and that way you can use them in the future. So what you want to do is pretty much click on create a new link, and you want to shorten the affiliate link that you have grabbed from Clickbank. So I'm just going to paste it in there, and in this section you can see right here I can customize the back half of the link. So what I'm going to do is type in there something like dating cheat sheet, and that way this is going to imply that the product that I grabbed from Clickbank is going to highly improve somebody's dating skills. So pretty much I'm just going to click on create because I want this affiliate link to be shortened and created, and it's going to be right here. And once you get your custom shortened affiliate link, what you want to do is go to Google once again, and you want to search for how to improve dating skills forum. And you're going to see in the search results all these forums that are discussing this very same issue, which is how to get better at dating or how to actually improve dating skills. And this is exactly what you want to do. So pretty much just go ahead and choose one of these forums. For example, let's go with, I don't know, this one right here. I'm just going to come to this forum, and what you need to do is sign up for your free account. But what you want to do is go exactly what I'm going to show you, because you don't want just to put any information in there. What you want to do is click on sign up, go ahead and choose your birthday, and you can completely make this up. So I'm just going with something like this, for example, then just click on continue. And what you want to do here is go ahead and fill in all these fields with personal information, but you don't want to be using your personal information for this. What you want to do instead is go to Google and you want to search for name generator. Hit search on that, and pretty much what you want to do is go ahead and choose one of these name generating websites websites, and I like using this first right here. For example, you can see the URL of it right here, and I'm going to show you exactly why. If you're going to open it up, it's going to take you into this website where you can create a character name from scratch. So I'm just going to select that, and what you want to do is, let's say, generate 100 female names. That's going to have a title of Miss, okay, flavor human. I don't know why it says flavor. This is really not something that I know. Why is it in there? You get to choose from zombie, vampire, and witch/wizard, but I'm just going with regular human, okay? We don't want any of these spicy flavors. Now for the birth year, you want to put the exact same year that you put on this forum that you used to sign up on. So I'm just going with 1992, okay. Then just go ahead and choose a nationality for your character, and I highly recommend that you go with something like British, American, Canadian. For example, let's go with Australian for this one. Then also choose the parents' nationalities, and it really doesn't matter what you put in there, because we want to create a female name that we are going to use to sign up on the forum. So pretty much just go ahead and scroll all the way down here and click on this write me some character names. Once you click on that, it's going to take a couple of seconds, and it's going to generate all these female names that you can use for this method. And what you want to do is scroll through all of these and pick one that you want to go with. For example, let's go with this one, Miss Kelsey Campbell. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it into the sign up form. Then what you want to do is go ahead and fill in all this personal information, then choose a very strong password, and in this gender identity you want to select female. Once you do that, just finish the sign up process, and then just pretty much click on create an account. If you want, you can just go ahead and customize this profile a little bit. For example, choose a profile image that you want to go with, add a short bio or something like that, but for the sake of not making this video too long, I'm just not going to do that on video. But pretty much you want this to be as genuine profile as possible, but it has to be themed for a female name. If you're going to customize this profile image, what you can do is go to this website that's called thispersondoesnotexist.com and use this free AI tool to generate an image of a person that does not exist, and you can use it freely without any copyright violations as a profile image for this profile, and then just go ahead and customize this profile a little bit. Once you do that, what you want to do is go to this search bar and you want to search for how to improve dating skills. Then what you want to do is scroll through these results, and pretty much what you need to do here to start promoting your affiliate link is just go ahead and open one of these answers, for example this one right here, and you want to reply to this topic. Click on reply to this topic, and pretty much what you need to do is just go ahead and read the first paragraph a little bit to see what this is about. For example, this is something about a 40-year-old who hasn't been in a relationship before, not let that get in the way of dating. So what I'm going to do is just copy this answer just like that, then go to this neat little tool that you may know from other videos. It's over YouTube literally right now, so I'm pretty sure I don't have to introduce you to this AI tool. And in this taskbar, I'm going to write something like, please write me a forum answer for this question. Then I'm just going to paste the question in there, hit enter, and right here you can see that ChatGPT is going to generate this answer completely free for you that you can use to answer the question on the forum. So I'm just going to copy the body of this answer just like that, go back to the forum, and I'm going to reply to this topic the answer that ChatGPT has generated for me. And now comes the part that is very important, because this way you will start getting traffic to your affiliate link. And to do that, what you want to do is somewhere in this text, for example right here in this very first sentence, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this sentence into something like, if you want to learn more about self-confidence, try this. Then I'm just going to highlight this entire sentence. I'm just going to click on this link button, and this is where I want to paste my affiliate link. So I'm just going to copy my affiliate link that has been shortened on Bitly, and then just paste it in here just like that. And pretty much this is all you need to do. Then just click on insert it into post, and this entire sentence is going to become a clickable button. Now because you provided value first in the form of this answer created by ChatGPT for you, people will want to actually see what's the best way to boost confidence, or what's this trick to build confidence. And once they are going to click on this sentence, they will be taken to the sales page that's going to be doing all the selling for you. And now all you have to do is just go ahead and post as many of these replies as you possibly can. Now because you can post multiple replies in one single day, just pretty much post the reply. And because it may happen that you created a brand new account, couple of your posts at first will need to be approved by the moderator on some of these forums, but once you start posting regularly, you will start getting readers of your answers to your affiliate link by this clickable sentence. And for every time somebody is going to make a purchase of this product, you will get paid commission. Now because there's so many of these forums out there, there's literally no way you're going run out of traffic doing this, all you need to do is just go ahead and pick a female name that you want to go with, because for some reason they tend to get a lot more clicks than male names. Sign up on these forums, start posting answers to the questions generated by ChatGPT. Make sure you're going to embed it with your affiliate link, and that way you can start getting some sales. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this beginner-friendly affiliate marketing method. Now, if you want to take affiliate marketing a little bit more serious and you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using myself to generate anywhere between $6,000 to $7,000 per month without showing my face, check out the first link in the video description. Other than that, for more money-making content, check out this video right here, and I hope to see you there.